back to another fun family craft time with Jen from the Blue Mountains Public Library. Today we are going to be upcycling an old t-shirt. You know, at the end of every season I like to kind of go through our closets and things that we don't wear anymore. I try to find other uses for them, and if I don't, I typically donate them. But today I thought I'm going to make my own reusable bag. So I took one of my old t-shirts and that's what I did. So when I need to go to the grocery store, when I have some errands to run, I can take one of my old favorite tees that I don't wear anymore and still have it as a super awesome, cool bag. So what you'll need for this craft is a t-shirt that you no longer use, that you were gonna discard, a ruler, and a really good pair of scissors. Kiddos, you'll probably need a grown-up to help you with some of the cutting, because some of the cutting can be tricky. So I'm gonna let you run and grab your supplies, and we're gonna meet right back here. All right, and we are back. So hopefully you have found yourself a t-shirt. Our first step, again, kids, please ask a grown-up to help you. We are going to cut the arm out of the t-shirt, and you can start just below, just so you have a really good space to guide your arms through. So I've already started there. And then I just follow the actual line of the t-shirt where the stitches are, where the sleeve and the shirt meet, and I go around it in a crescent moon shape. Oops. First sleeve gone. So that's what both sleeves should look like. So I'm gonna let you guys get those cut out, and then we'll meet right back here once both the sleeves are removed. All right, so you guys should have both sleeves removed at this point. So you can take your material and set it aside. If you want, make some fun headbands with it, you know, for when you're outside working in the garden or running and playing, whatever it is that you would want them for. So now we are going to get ready to cut our strips. So just like this, so we can tie the bottom of our bag shut, because we're not even sewing in this craft. So I am going to take a ruler and kind of figure out how big I want how much space I want in my bag. If you have some white chalk at home, you can take some chalk as well, and you can use that as your guide as to chalk line your line as to how far you want your tassels to go. You can even chalk mark where you want to cut your tassels if it will help you have a guide. So I'm going to cut my tassels to about 1 inch from the middle logo. So you're going to take your scissors again. If you need help from a grown-up, make sure you have a grown-up to help you. And you're going to cut. I'm going to do one more. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. So you want the bottom of your t-shirt to have a fringe just like this. So I'm going to let you cut the bottom of your t-shirt into fringes, and then when you're done with that, we'll come right back and I'll show you how to tie your bag, and we'll be on our way. All right, so we have our fringe cut, and where your t-shirt seam is on the sides, you also have to cut that and split it. I'll show you on this side just so when we get to tying the bottom, you can tie it there as well. So our next step is we are going to cut out the neckline of the t-shirt so you have a nice big opening in your bag to get all of your goodies into, okay? So the same way you did the arms, the t-shirt arms, you're gonna do the same thing with the neck. If you want a larger opening, then you can cut into the t-shirt a little bit more. Totally up to you. I trimmed just about 1.5 inches away from the collar line on this one, and it's a pretty nice sized opening. So 1.5 inches away from the collar line, get that cut, and we will meet right back here for our final steps. All right, so the neck is now removed from the t-shirt. So it's already starting to resemble a bag, right? So our next step is we are going to take our fringe and we're gonna line them up. So top fringe and bottom fringe. We're gonna take it and we're gonna tie them once and then twice. Okay, I know it might be a little tricky for you to see, so I'm gonna hold it up. Top fringe, bottom fringe, and you're gonna tie it once and then twice. Top and bottom fringe, tie it once, tie it twice, and you guys keep working on tying up your fringe right across the bottom of your t-shirt. And voila, bag is completed. We have, or I have, a super awesome blue reusable bag and my pink one that I made. If you don't want for the tassels not to be visible, you could even flip it over and use it this way if you don't like the way the tassels look. So no tassels, tassels. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft. I know I did. I always love the fact that I get to repurpose things that I have laying around the house and bring them back to life and getting to use them for something new. If you're ever looking for some more craft ideas, just remember to check out the Blue Mountains Public Library's collection. We have amazing books to inspire you and to get you guys crafting as well, all the time, whenever you want. I hope you guys had fun. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.